That way you will disengage. Okay. You ready? Okay, then you put it. Where to clean your brother? Table ten. Okay? Thank you. Not that. Good thing. That's fine. Okay. Come to hello. Hello. Cutting balloon.
Yes, sir.
Cutting balloon 4 into 28. 30.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's a very
4 into 28.
Sir, cutting balloon 3.5.
3.5.
15.
15.
Actually,
Asela, Tedana, otherwise we can extend it. Engage it. Engage in pressure drama. Brother, give me IVAS first. Never cutting JC IVAS. IVAS क्या ready होता है?
Ready, sir.
JC.
cutting balloon, sir.
Cutting balloon and keep 10 ready, brother. What is JC better? Better cut. Then other बंदे चाहिए.
Sir, 3.5, 15, sir, cutting balloon.
मेरे तो कभी लगी कोई give a small person. Give 2 mm balloon, 2.5 NCU. 2 or 2.5.
12 or 15, sir.
2 into 2 is better.
2 na?
2 into 12 or 15. Is better. Energy is better.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Do it. Enter, brother.
Okay, sir.
23 would be better. ఇప్పుడే ప్రెషర్ కాలేదు Engage student now. Give me. Jump to 2.5. Okay. Go to 2.5. That's an AC cutting. What is this? Catch him. You see that running. Brother, run. Go back. Catch him here. Ideal budget is budget is ideal case for ideal. Come here. Video? Take one here. Guideline with NC. NC and him. Ready, huh?
Yes, sir. 2.5. 15 okay, sir.
15 okay. Keep. Give me the keep here, it will go. Ready? Come here. Right with the right. Not it. Yes. Three. ಮತ್ತೆ 2.5 ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ once you open you want to go as a classic calcium Right and 18 color. So 2.7. What 18 color? There, use that. Give cutting balloon, brother.
Next case for the center line SP.
Yadi, yes, put a better.
Yes, sir. I will switch to IQ and shift to that, sir. Because in room we can't put.
Do it fast. Next case, are
Okay.
ready. Small texture. This small. Fine. Give me the cutting balloon.
Ready? Sir, triple fifty.
Next time I was ready with sugar. Ready?
Check your.
I think fine. Go ahead. Because I need to. Bye-bye. Think that is. Comfortable, right? Do one second. No, there. Give injection. Yeah. You see? Ready? We are ready. Do it. Go. Put it. Gentle push on that. Cutting balloon also is very effective. Excited?
Yes.
Here also. I will put this slightly more. Not here?
అది మొత్తం తీ అందుకెళ్ళి బయట తీసి ఇది అది ఓపెన్ చేయి. అది కాదురా బాబు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ పెట్టుకో, సరిగ్గా ప్లగ్ అయింది చూసుకో. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం ఉండండి. బయట నీకు ఇమేజ్ తెలుస్తుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నువ్వు ఫింగర్స్ పెట్టుకొని చూడు. నువ్వు ఆన్ చేస్తే ఇమేజ్ తెలుస్తుంది. మరి తీసాడు బయట వాడికి చెప్పు, క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి అది అక్కడ అట్లనే ఉంచు. బ్రదర్ ఒకసారి నేను డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తా చెప్పమని. రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిండు అడుగు, స్ట్రీమింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిండు అడుగు. ఆయన ఇట్లా వెళ్ళి అడగరా అది బయట. ఓకే అది ఆన్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ హిస్టరీ పెట్టు. Okay, I'll start. Go to the first view, brother. Go to the first. ఇందులో ఉంది. Yeah. Go to the first view. Yeah, then I will start with there. Start చేయాలి అడగండి.
Start.
Yeah. Okay. అది కొంచెం ముందుకు రా, మానిటర్ కొంచెం వెనకాను, మాకు మధ్యలో అడ్డొస్తుంది. లేకుంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ ఇటు ముందుకు పెట్టరా, అట్లా పెట్టుకో బెస్ట్. రెడీ, నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్ చేస్తావా? యా, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. టుడే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ 3 cases of CTO cases. I will describe one by one. In the first case, go to the next. This is a case of severe triple disease with CTO of LAD, image guided. So this is a 67-year-old male, known diabetic and hypertensive, smoker, and presented with complaints of retrosternal chest pain of 10 days duration. He had a atrial fibrillation with fast ventricular rate, now in sinus rhythm. ECG showed RWM of LAD territory, moderate LAD dysfunction, ejection fraction of 38%. And because the previous old MI, we also did the myocardial perfusion scan, which showed viable LAD RCA territories, small partial thickness infarct in distal infralateral segment with adequate residual viable myocardium. Go to the next. Investigators, nothing significant, only thing that GFR is low, serum creatinine is 1.7 and GFR 41. So because of that, what we thought, we will go ahead with IVAS guided. Now we will show the IVAS guided imaging. Go to the next. No, angiofilm is there. You can see the angio images. Now I think, brother, project this one, laptop. Concentrate on laptop. నాకు కూడా అగపడాలి. అగపడుతుందా? దిస్ వన్. రన్ ఇమేజ్, రన్, గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ రన్.
ఇది
ఒక వ్యూ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ముందుకు రండి.
బ్యాక్ నొక్కండి. గో బ్యాక్.
అది ఆరో ఉంది కదా, గో బ్యాక్, పైది ప్రెస్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇటు రండి. ఇప్పుడు ప్లే అయితే ఇటు పెట్టు నాకు, అది రన్ అవుతలేదు. యూ జస్ట్ ప్రెస్ దిస్ వన్. ఈ కర్సర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. యూ ప్రెస్ దిస్ వన్, ఇక్కడ కర్సర్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి, అది ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అదర్వైజ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ గో బ్యాక్. ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళండి.
సైడ్లో క్లిక్ చేయండి.
దట్ ఎగ్జిట్ అని ఉంటుంది చూడడా, నెక్స్ట్ పెట్టండి. అదర్వైజ్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్. రమ్మన్ లోపల వచ్చాను, చూపెట్టమా.
ఇది ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఇది యా గుడ్.
ఇటు చూపెట్టు, నాకు అవ్వడాలి కదా. గో బ్యాక్. ఇప్పుడు గో బ్యాక్.
బ్యాక్
అది అక్కడ ఆరో.
ఇంకా
మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళండి, మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి.
ఇంకా బ్యాక్.
ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ప్రెస్ చేయండి ప్రెస్ హియర్ నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ దర్ ఇస్ ఎ టోటల్ అక్లూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎల్ఈడి అండ్ ప్రెస్ ఆన్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో ప్రెస్ ఆన్ దట్ వన్ రైట్ సైడ్ ప్రెస్
అక్కడ చేయండి.
okay I think films are not playing well, but LED long total occlusion, LCX also there is a middle borderline lesion, and distally diffuse disease, but as far as you can see the right corner very tight lesion and exactly at the lesion level there is a calcium, so it's a dominant vessel which is supplying retrogradely to LED. You can see very clearly retrograde flow of LED. So now our intention is to go ahead with the initially go with right corner stenting, then subsequently go for CT of LED. Then you can we'll go to the today's procedure. First view no before wire go back, that is the first
Yes, sir.
so once we are engaging there is a you can see the diastasis is there. Go to the next. Now we put the wire, it's a very tight. If you observe the go back, freeze, you can see at the level of the lesion, go back without a dye, go back, try to go back, you can see there is a calcium at the site of the lesion where there is a tightest lesion. Then go to the next. Now we are dilating. Initially we thought of dilating with directly with a cutting balloon using a, what is the balloon we have used? Cutting balloon
3.550.
NC alpha na?
Yes, sir.
NC alpha balloon, cutting balloon was used, but it was not we were unable to introduce because of the tough lesion. So new alpha NC balloon 3.5, this is angiosculp kadandi. That's what I am asking. Sorry, we used angiosculp, that is 3.5 into 15 mm balloon. So we were trying to introduce new balloon, but we were unable to place. Then what we thought, we dilate with 1.5 balloon. This is a 1.5 balloon dilatation. Go to the next. Next we are using a 2.5. Then subsequently we upsize to angiosculp, that is 3.5. And sometimes we were requiring the guideliner support to place the balloon into the lesion because of the tough calcium. Go to the next. This is angiosculp cutting balloon 3.5. Now you can see the guideliner tip at the catheter entry site. You can see the next. So now with the guideliner we place it too deep because we were facing a resistance at the distal level of the lesion. This is the angiosculp, multiple dilatations. Now the lesion is adequately opened. So compared to earlier lesion, definitely it produced a good dilatation. I think it provided adequate cuts. Balloon also expanding very well. Then what we thought, we will directly stent, and after that we will acquire the IVS for optimization. Go to the next. Now this is a 4 into 28 mm stent. You can see the science expedition 4 into 18. We are precisely placing. Go to the next. This is the placing of the stent. Go to the next. Next. Now this is the stent. Now we will do the HD IVS, and then stent is adequately expanded or not. Then we will see if needed, we will upsize with 4 mm NC balloon. LCX no need to do it because that infralateral area non-viable. Hold the wire. Wire pass. Come nearer. Come nearer. Take. Ready?
Sir, auto.
Auto. Check once. We keep it straight. I have 4 line. Keep it straight. Now pull. Now you are able to see that one. Show. I was that one. I don't ask him to show that one. Show that monitor. Is it coming? Manual. Put the manual. I will do it. Why Venu always? It's coming, kada. Do it. Oh. You see, vessel is a huge 1, 2, 3, almost 4.5 vessel. Now you can see some plaque distally. Still we are distal to the stented segment. I think it's not moving. I will do manual. Put the manual mode. Put the manual mode. Ready, yeah? Now you see this vessel is some plaque, but its diameter is very good. This is distal to the lesion. It's a minimal plaque burden. So we are coming to the stented segment. How many small you can count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Now we are entering with the stented segment. You can see the stent segment still undersized. It requires some more dilatation. You can see that, but nicely expanded stent. You can see the very well expanded stent. This is the area of calcium. You can see very significant calcium here. Now here also calcium, white, that you can see the white reflection of the calcium, but area is very good, area achieved. Now this is the proximal portion of the stent. Now you see there is a significant maloposition. Proximal you can see now, able to see the vessel is too big. You can see the like a circle in circle. Here see nicely nice maloposition you can see. Now we have to take a bigger balloon. Here see the freeze and take the vessel size. Stop. I will see the, sorry, asked him also, I will check one, because the pressure is, there is a pressure damp. Run. I will start the, no, I will check the asked him, same. I will pull from here. Let me pull it from here.
Ready?
Ready, yeah? Now I am coming to the, now see osteum, there is a disease. You can see now, osteum definitely significant disease there. I think it's preferable to stent. You can see an area. This is a normal. Now you can see this is significantly diseased osteum. You can see now?
Yes.
Osteum has to be stented, otherwise that is the reason why we, when we are hooking almost significant pressure, freeze. Right. Okay, that's enough. We'll take one more stent, we'll extend up to the osteum.
4.5, sir.
Now we'll take 4.5 stent. 4.5. Let us see the length also. Table. Give me that 15 mm balloon. Just now we had 3.5. Other cutting balloon there. We'll cutting balloon will try to open the osteum. Next patient shift cheyali adagandi. Next patient, that impella patient. So after this case we are showcasing the impella case. Impella case, it's a very nice, interesting, very complex case, because CT of L6, LAD, RCA, and the distal abdomen very, very tight calcium, the calcium plaque, distal abdomen extending into the LA and L6. So because here osteum also diseased, so better to put the cutting balloon, and because once you do the right coronary, it provides more collaterals. So then because GFR is also low, what we are thinking today, do the right coronary, 1 or 2 days later, small test, do the LAD test. I think you can do it now. Do it. Go.
Nominal 8, sir.
See, tight waist, deflate. Do once again.
8.
14. Deflate. Give me one more balloon, one more wire, brother.
So piano list.
Only into the aorta.
Right, sir.
Take 4.5 stent. Their vessel size, I think, looking like a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 would be sufficient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. 4.5 stent is there?
Sir?
4.5 ఆనిక్స్ ఉందా?
12.
ఆనిక్స్ ఉందా?
ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే, నేను చెప్తాను ఇవ్వండి.
15 కావాలి.
అయ్యో,
ఓకే ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు బెలూన్ చూపెట్టు బ్రదర్. BMW.
Yes, sir.
బయట పెట్టాలి.
That's fine. Give me send small test. Test. Good, Sini. I think we'll take 18. Give previous balloon. I'll check one. That Angioscope balloon there, no? 3.5 length ఉంది size. This is length
3.5 15 sir.
15. Give 15 once. We'll see the size once. Now last time you are able to see, na? Tight. Because IVAS is showing a very tight calcium. No, not calcium, fibrotic clot. Entangle and wire. Take out that wire, second wire. This is the one, huh? Now check once. No, we'll take 18. Better. Because just small test. We'll take 18, just the borderline. Give 18, brother.
Okay, sir.
Remove this, we'll reposition because entanglement may be there. We'll reposition.
Sir, 4.5, 18.
Brother, ఇది పెట్టండి. వైర్ వేయాలి.
Anna go to BMW.
Good, yeah.
ఏం పర్వాలేదు బయటకే యూ కెన్ గివ్ నో ఇష్యూ ఫ్రమ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ గోయింగ్ టు ది అయోటా. ఏంటంటే already bent. That's okay. Give me. This is fine. Give me. వెదర్ ఎల్లో కార్డులకు రావాలి. Table. I think that wire is causing problem. Remove that wire, second wire. That's fine. Come to yellow. Yellow card, ala?
Yes, sir.
Small injection. PA card. Table. No, I think you have to go to yellow card land. Small test. Slightly we have to come back. Small test. Test. Good, Sini? I think fine. ఇప్పుడు ఇవ్వండి ఇంజెక్షన్. Do it there. Deflate. Do it. అయితే కానీ ఇన్సైడ్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Deflate. Do again. Go. Do it. Go higher.
1460.
Deflate. 1 minute. Let me engage with catheter. Engage, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, remove it. Give me. Okay, now if it goes, I will put this one.
Out.
I think it's not going. Give 4 ends ఇస్తావా? 4.5 ఇచ్చిన పర్లేదు. Low pressure చేస్తాం. I will do low pressure. Because it's a big vessel. 15, 10 ఉంటే 10, 12 ఉంటే 12. Ready for injection? You ready?
Ready. Just a minute. Yeah.
Good, Sini. Flowing well. Nicely covered. 12. Slightly we have projected outside because we don't want to miss the ostium. It is still only 8 to do it.
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Go 8, 10,
10.
deflate.
This is age మనం వెళ్ళదు.
Discharge బాగానే ఉందని I didn't go. 8, don't go more. 8,
8.
bas, deflate. Do it. 10, 12,
12.
deflate. Do it.
12, 14.
Deflate.
NSA.
Do it now. deflate. Outside, na? Do it. Outside. Do it. 14, 15, 16, 17. Deflate. That's enough. Deflated?
Yes.
Problem with the big balloon, it won't come into the catheter. Too tight. I think we have to deflate fully. Sometimes it break the catheter. No problem. Begin, see, there is a problem. 6 French here. Give IVS catheter, brother. Take one, Sini. Ready? Good, Sini. Epicranial? I think it's fine. Ready?
Ready.
Good. I think perfect. Give me, brother, IVS catheter. Next case ready when the student impella case. Impella team Ramanand will insert impella and everything. చెయ్యి మాట్లాడేమా
Hello. Hello. Sir, one second.
Tell me, Arun. Yeah, 1 minute, I will send someone. డాక్టర్స్ లాంచ్లో ఉన్నాడంటే ఒక డ్రెస్ ఇవ్వమ్మా అదే డాక్టర్స్ లాంచ్లో ఉన్నాడు అరుణ్ డ్రెస్ ఇచ్చి రమ్మని కమ్ కమ్ రెడీ బ్రదర్ మాన్యువల్ పెట్టుకో రెడీ see distally plaque is not significant, lumen is good. Now we postdilate the 4.5 NC. Now nicely expanded stent. I don't see any malopposition. Good expansion of the stent. This is the calcium area. We get excellent area. Now proximal stent. Proximal stent so nicely expanded. See without any malopposition. Is a 4.5 vessel. You can see the ostium. It's extended beyond the ostium. Why? Because this ostium is very tightly stenosed, fibrotic lesion. So our intention is initially do the right coronary and give a 4 to 6 weeks gap and do the antegrade and retrograde PC of the LAD. Okay, because his GFR is also low, only 45. So if you prolong the procedure, the chance of renal dysfunction. So if you give a 4 to 6 weeks time, some more collaterals will develop, and at that time we can try antegrade as well as retrograde. L6 we are only distally diseased. We are deferring it because of that area non-viable. LAD is viable area. So plan is to go ahead with the LAD. Stand. This is a final angio. Then I was showing excellent area. Take final angios. Now take one, Sini.
Ready.
Small test. Now, ready? Inject. See, nicely flowing vessel. Epicranial. Last view. Table.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Put the wire and remove. So this entire area is viable. It's a very dominant vessel. So purpose is to provide a good antegrade flow of the LAD because this is supporting. He has been asymptomatic all these days, but recently worsening of symptoms because of the worsening of the right corner disease. So plan is 4 weeks later to go ahead with CT of the LAD. This is image guided calcified right corner stenting. we have two cases. One is chip is here. I told you very clearly the CT of the LAD and RCA, and LM2 LCX very severely calcified. That we will do the plaque modification with IVL. Impella support, LV function is only 18%. And second case, right coronary distal lesion, and plan is to do antegrade retrograde, antegrade initially crossing of the LAD, if not retrograde entry of the LC from RCA. So we will take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare for the Impella. Then we will go ahead with the second case. Thank you, one and all. తీసే బ్రదర్ కొంచెం స్టాప్ చేయి, స్టాప్. నెక్స్ట్ కేసు అప్పుడు బ్రదర్. అదే సెకండ్ డైవర్స్ రన్ చేయి బ్రదర్. అంటే సెకండ్ డైవర్స్ రన్ చూపెట్టు. ఎందుకంటే క్యాథెటర్ అయినా డాంప్ అయింది ప్రెషర్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ బియాండ్ థిక్ ఫైబ్రాటిక్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది యాంజియోస్కోప్ చేసిన లీజన్ అవపడుతుంది.